The pandemic hit the United States when we were already in the midst of a really deep housing crisis, one we haven't seen for generations. Incomes for many Americans have been stagnant. Housing costs have soared. Rents have doubled over the last 20 years. And the federal government really hasn't stepped up to fill the gap. So less than 1 in 4 families who qualify for housing assistance like public housing or a housing choice voucher, for example, less than 1 in 4 of those families receive it. And the waiting list for public housing in our big cities isn't counted in years anymore, it's counted in decades. So if I applied for public housing today in our nation's capital, I have 2 young kids, chances are I'd be a grandpa by the time my application came up for review. So that was the situation when we had 5% unemployment. That's the situation when our economy was supposedly humming. The situation is much worse now, and we're seeing people being threatened with eviction, not at the hundreds of thousands, but at the millions right